Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON K2. In this video I'll show you if this keyboard has hot swappable switches. This keyboard has hot swappable option, available only on specific variants. This function allows you to change switches without soldering. In order to do it, prepare key removal tool. Place it over the key, remove the keycap, and now the second part of the tool place over the switch, like this. Make it come under the switch, and then simply pull the switch upwards. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.